It's so rough right now. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's Saturday, it's the weekend, and of course, you know, we are do road. Oh, on that note, there you have a quick and easy Jamaican expression. We are do road. We are do road means we're going on the road, we're out and about on the road, we'll be going on the road to do things. You want to say hello? You want to say good morning? Say hello. Say hi. Say good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say good morning. Say hello. Give them kisses. Give them kisses. Mwah. 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 Sweet boy. Okay, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression for today. We are Durwood. We woke up this morning. You wanna come with me? You wanna be with mama? I woke up this morning. I wasn't in the best of a mood this morning when I woke up. I felt kind of down because I have so much things on my mind, and when I have things on my mind, I have to get up and be active and do something about it, and not to put myself in a sad mood. So I hurry and I got out the bed and I go in the kitchen and I make my family breakfast. So we had breakfast, and I had a collaboration to film this morning, which is my everyday makeup look, which is this look that I'm wearing right now. So you guys will see that collaboration coming up. You'll see this vlog before the collaboration though, so don't worry about it. Make sure when the collaboration is posted, you guys go and catch it, and subscribe to my friend's channel, which I'll be doing the collaboration with, but that's in another video. And yes, as a matter of fact, this morning I was actually woke up by my morning alarm, which is this little one behind me. This is my morning alarm. I don't need an alarm clock. At 8 o'clock, what do you say? Mama! Mama! Mwah! Look at your lip. You have red on your face. Silly, you have red on your face. Look, you have mama lips on your face. You see it? You see it? You have mama lips on your face? You're happy about that? You're so funny. The weather outside doesn't look so inviting today at all. And yes, Stella is active as usual. Down. Down. The weather outside is not pretty at all. It's been raining. Seems like it's been raining all night. It's been raining all morning, but it stopped now and it's very windy, and I can show you guys everything outside is just turned over and is all over the place. Tyler can't even go outside. See, all his toys, everything is blown away, everything is all wet. His tent is blown away. Everything is just looking wet and messy. As you can see, the palm tree is just super windy. It's kind of crazy outside today, so you know it's chilly. But regardless of the weather, we have to get things done. So it's supermarket day as usual, so have to do our supermarket run. and I'm definitely going in town today. Doesn't really matter what time, so I think I need to go and feed Tyler his lunch, get him ready for the road. Baby's here playing games.
Hi guys, good morning. Saturday morning, rest day for me. Well, hopefully, but gotta go on the road. So like you see, I'm not ready at all. Just take my time and playing, doing what I can do. Really on the way.
Playing. Babe, the Jamaican expression for
we
today.
We are the world. I heard you. We are the world.
Say it.
We are the world.
We are the road.
We are the world.
Don't say road, say road.
Wood.
Say we.
We are the wood.
We are the road.
We are the wood. No.
Say it again.
We are the wood.
We are the road.
Wood.
Road.
Wood.
You guys, you can't say road. So that's Babe's take on the Jamaican expression. Make sure you guys get it. To get it, make sure you guys get the Jamaican expression for today. Every single Saturday, Babe and I come to the supermarket. One of us lost each other, so I'm just standing in the middle of the supermarket waiting on him to find me right now, because he's looking for something and he just can't leave me, and I have no idea where he is. So I have to just stand in one spot and wait until he finds me. Like, I'm just here lost, literally lost. Honestly, don't know where baby is. Seems like I'm just gonna have to let them announce it over the intercom. Lost wife is standing in the middle of the supermarket. Lost wife and kid. Every single weekend this happens. Every single weekend somebody wants to find something and he's just gone, or I'm just gone, and we can't find each other, literally. And these people is just looking at me like she's talking to a camera, like, really? Vlogger problems. Eating healthy can be so boring, so we're trying to find different things to eat, and I am so scared of all these things because I don't know what to eat. I'm so scared, but right now Babe's looking at pizza.
What do you want?
For lunch.
You want something like this? Like
Quiche. You can take quiche if you want one of these.
I ask you, what do you prefer?
It don't matter.
One like this, if you want me to take a regular pizza like we used.
I really don't know what to try. Sometimes it's so scared to try new things. It's just scary because you don't know what it's gonna taste like. But then again, if you don't try, then you won't know what it's gonna taste like. So I pick up some new frozen vegetable things, so I'm just gonna try it and see what it tastes like for lunch. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Sweet boy. Thank you, baby. Tell Papa don't give you anything this heavy again. Thank you. Thank you. You guys, this is the turnout. They look burnt. However, I tested one and I'm not a big fan of it, so I won't buy any more of these. Fail. We are finally going to town. Finally, the sun is in my eye. Let me get a good angle. It is so cold. I'm freezing. This weather just become cold out and nowhere. Like, literally we're freezing. Don't babe?
Yeah,
you're freezing.
It's windy.
It's so windy.
There's some clouds, so the sun don't really warm you.
We're freezing. I literally have to change my outfit. Well, thanks to babe, because babe said to me, "Hun, you better take off that dress and put on her pants." Look at the beach right now. Look. You see all these waves? It's like I can just touch it. It's so rough right now. Look at that. It's crazy how it's windy outside. As we are in town and I found most of what I wanted. I didn't find some of what I want. I probably have to come back one other day, but we are going to try and find somewhere to eat dinner because it's kind of sort of ish dinner time-ish and we're in town, so might as well find something to eat, right babe? What you gonna eat?
Let's see what we find.
So let's see what we find. I am so hungry and we're here waiting on food to come. We ordered a huge sandwich, so we're gonna have kebab for dinner. And Tyler is over here
Giving trouble to his dad.
no, he's not giving no trouble. Babe just can't manage him. Babe just can't manage Tyler and everything everything Tyler does, babe. Ow, that hurts. Ow. You're abusing me on camera. I have evidence.
Yeah.
So this is dinner, you guys. We're having fries with kebab in here. It's just a huge sandwich with meat and vegetables in there, and then we're gonna have juice. Ready to grab it? Yum, yum, yum. It's going down, you guys. Right now. You guys, I have to show you. I have to show you how big my sandwich is right now. This is the size of my sandwich. And in there's tomato, lettuce, and the meat. And it is so good. Heaven right now, heaven. When you eat it and you close your eyes, you know it's good. How's yours, Deb?
I'm trying to do like you.
We had so much fun out today. We're super tired. We got home and Tyler is off to bed. He's so tired and so are we. We're in bed early. Make sure you guys go and catch up with the Jamaican expression for today.
We at the world.
No, we at the road.
We at the world.
Yeah, not we.
We.
You sound like you're saying yes in French. We. We're just gonna end the vlog here. We had a awesome day. We got so much things done. I got most of the things done that I wanted to get done today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.